Hello. Let's talk about how to live in the end result, a concept that, once understood, can bring profound change into your life. It's not about waiting for things to happen, it's about living as though they already have. It's about embodying the state of fulfillment and success you desire as if it's already yours. I want to help you realize how powerful you are and how you can transform your life with this simple yet deeply transformative practice. Living in the end result isn't a complex idea. In fact, it's one of the most straightforward and natural practices you can adopt. It's about imagining that the thing you desire has already come to pass. When you do this, you're not just wishing for a better future, you are aligning yourself with the reality you want to experience. Think about this for a moment. How would you feel if you already had everything you've been wanting? If you want financial freedom, imagine yourself already living that life, where money flows freely, and you feel secure and at ease. If you desire love, think about yourself already loved, cherished, and appreciated. Your feelings are your greatest tool. They are the language of your subconscious mind. But here's the thing, the end result must feel real to you right now. It's not enough to simply say, "I will be successful," or "I will find love." You must feel it, believe it, and live it in your mind. When you begin to experience the end result in your thoughts, your feelings, and your imagination, you are drawing that reality closer to you. It's like planting a seed that will eventually grow into a full-fledged experience. This is the art of living in the end result. You must not only think of it but feel it, fully immerse yourself in it. Many people make the mistake of waiting for external circumstances to change before they feel the way they want to feel. But the truth is, change doesn't come from the outside. It comes from within. The external world is simply a reflection of your internal world. When you decide to live in the end result, you are not waiting for the world to change for you. You are changing within, and the world responds to that shift. The moment you embody the end result, the universe starts rearranging itself to bring that reality into your experience. Let me make this clearer. Imagine a person who wants to be financially abundant. They may say, "I will be rich someday." But here's the thing, if they continue to focus on the lack of money, on the struggle, on the someday aspect, they're not living in the end result. Instead, they're reinforcing the absence of wealth in their present reality. The key to living in the end result is to feel wealthy now. Even if your bank account doesn't reflect that yet, you can still experience the feeling of abundance. Start feeling gratitude for everything you already have, and from that place of abundance, you will attract more. The same principle applies if you want love. Don't focus on the fact that you're not in a relationship right now. Instead, focus on what it would feel like to be in the kind of relationship you desire. Imagine the warmth, the support, the connection you would experience with the person who matches your energy. The moment you start feeling this, you align yourself with that end result. Your mind and body begin to vibrate with the energy of love, and before you know it, the universe will reflect that back to you through the relationships you encounter. But the key here is consistency. It's not about having a fleeting thought or a brief moment of imagining yourself living in the end result. It's about sustaining that vision, that feeling. You must live in the end result daily. This isn't something you do for 5 minutes in the morning and forget about for the rest of the day. It requires persistence, practice, and discipline to maintain that mental and emotional state. As you do, you'll find that your life begins to shift in ways you can't yet predict. The law of attraction works in mysterious ways, and when you align your inner state with the end result, you begin to draw that reality to you. Another important factor in this process is detachment. I know this might sound contradictory, but hear me out. When you're living in the end result, you must learn to detach from the outcome. This doesn't mean you stop caring about your goals, it simply means you stop obsessing over how and when they will manifest. Let go of the how and the when, because that is not your job. Your job is to feel, think, and believe as if it's already done. Trust that the universe knows how to bring it to you. The moment you release the attachment to the outcome, you make space for it to manifest more effortlessly. Living in the end result also requires a shift in perception. The world around you may not look like the way you want it to right now, but you must see it differently. For example, if you are in a job you don't enjoy, instead of focusing on your dissatisfaction, begin to see it as a stepping stone that is leading you toward the end result of your dream career. Even if you don't see the path clearly yet, trust that the universe is guiding you in ways that you can't yet comprehend. Begin to look for opportunities, signs, and synchronicities that are in alignment with your desires. One powerful tool to help you live in the end result is visualization. It's not enough to just think about what you want. Take time each day to imagine yourself already living that life. Close your eyes, relax, and picture the details of your end result. Feel the emotions of success, joy, and fulfillment. See yourself in the situation you desire, and let that feeling fill you up completely. This practice creates a powerful resonance between your inner world and the reality you wish to experience. It helps bridge the gap between where you are now and where you want to be. Another tool you can use is affirmation. Affirmations help reinforce the belief that your desire is already fulfilled. They act as a constant reminder to yourself that your desired end result is a reality. Your words are powerful. When you repeat affirmations like, "I am wealthy, I am loved," or "I am successful," you are reaffirming your belief in your power to create the life you want. Say these affirmations with conviction, as though you're speaking to the person you already are, the person who is living in the end result. Now, let's talk about overcoming doubt and disbelief. It's normal to have doubts. The world around you may not reflect your desires just yet, and it's easy to question if this practice really works. But that's when faith comes into play. Faith is the unwavering belief that your desires are already done, regardless of external circumstances. You have to trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring your vision to life. Even if you can't see it yet, trust that everything is unfolding in perfect timing. I want you to think about this. If you were to live as though your desires were already fulfilled, how would you act? How would you think? How would you feel? Would you walk around in a state of confidence and gratitude? Would you trust that everything is working out for you? Would you stop worrying about the how and when and simply enjoy the process? This is the mindset that aligns you with the end result. You don't have to wait for things to change before you can live with the end result. The end result starts within you, and when you live it now, the world will reflect it back to you. As you continue to practice living in the end result, you'll begin to notice small shifts. It might be a thought that suddenly feels different, a person who shows up in your life, or an opportunity that aligns with your vision. The more you live as if it's already done, the more the external world will rearrange itself to match your inner state. Living in the end result isn't just about getting what you want. It's about becoming the person who naturally attracts what they desire. It's about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your highest self, the person who already has everything they need. When you do this, you're no longer waiting for things to change, you're creating the change from within. And that's when you'll begin to see your desires manifest in ways you never imagined possible. Remember, the power is in your hands. Live in the end result, feel the emotions of having what you want, and trust that the universe will respond. Your dreams are waiting for you, and they're already on their way. All you need to do is step into the reality that's already yours. Keep living in that state, and watch as the world around you transforms. Make the commitment to live from a place of already having everything you desire, and watch how your life transforms. If you found this content helpful, please like this video to show your support. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment below. And if you want more insights and inspiration, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more powerful content like this. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who could benefit from it. And if you haven't already, subscribing is the best way to stay updated on new videos. I look forward to sharing more with you on your journey to manifesting your desires. Until next time, continue to live in the end result and trust that your dreams are already on their way to you.